Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Eli.io. First of all, open up your browser, then type in your browser Eli.io. There, just hit enter. Now go to the website. Now once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. Now in here, you will have to type in your name, your email, and create a strong password. Now after you have done that, you will have to answer these 4 questions right here. Now, after you're done answering these questions, you can verify your account confirmation from email or you can skip it for now. I'm just going to do that. Now, if you're done with all that, you will be at the home page. Now, on the left, you have the home window right here. In here, you can select different templates and watch some different tutorials as well. Now, in here, in the video section, you will have your videos that will be created by you, your templates that also can be created by them that we're gonna do later in the video. You can create your avatar from here. Here is your avatars library, and this window belongs to the deleted videos that you just made. Now let's just go back to the home page. Now we're gonna create our own template. So just go to my templates and click on this create template button right here. You will be at this page right here. Now in here you will have some default templates that you can use as a theme of your own personal template. You can either start blank, employee handbook, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, so on and so forth. Now let's say I'm scrolling down and let's say I like this one. So I'm just gonna click on it and you will have this whole video right here that you can play, and this includes all the scenes in this video one by one. So once you like your template, click on create template. Now after clicking on that button, you will be in the editor of this video. Now on the left side, you have all the different scenes that are included in this video, and you can modify each of these scenes one by one according to your needs and desires. On the top here, you can change the aspect ratio of the video. For example, it's 16 by 9 currently. You can change it to 9 by 16, and you can also use it in 1 to 1. You can add tons of different images, videos, shapes, stickers to your video. For example, let's say I'm just gonna scroll down and like this shape, or let's say let's just go for the sticker right here. So just click on it and it will be loaded on your video and you can place it wherever you want. I'm just gonna resize it a bit. Let's say I'm just gonna put it here and put it besides this right here. You can also fully customize it. You can change the opacity, you can change the layering to back, forward to front, custom animation. Now as I say, animation is applied only to selected elements, so this one doesn't come with an animation, so it will just be up there. You can't change its animation right now. Now you can see this sticker has been added right here. You can do the same for images, videos, shapes, stickers. You can also add GIFs. Now, if you don't like any of these, you can also upload your own stuff, for example, shapes, video, stickers that you want to use in video by just clicking on this uploads window right here and click on this plus button right here and upload your stuff that you want to use in your video. Now you can also add animations between each scene by just clicking on this two circles right here, and in here you will have all the different transitions that you need between your scenes. You can use the fade black, the fade white, the slide left. It will also show the examples. For example, slide right 1 to 2, slide down 1 to 2 from the upside. So that's how it will work. You can apply this transition to this one or apply to all, and it will be applied between each scene. Now if you want to add text to your video, just click on this text window right here, and here you will have a sample text that you can use in video. You can customize it as well. For example, you can change the font, you can make it bold, italic, underlined. You can also change the color of the font. You can also make it a list. You can also change the size. You can also change the line height if you use this underlined one. You can also change the opacity of the text, and you can also change the layering of the text. Now you can also record your screen and edit in your video by just clicking on this record button right here and click on this button. It will start recording your screen and you can do whatever you want to do and place it in your video. Now you can also add background music to your video by just clicking on this music window right here. You can choose all these different stock musics that you have. And as I told earlier, you can also upload your own song in MP3 or MP4 format and use it in your video as well. Now, if you look at these two things, the beginning shift and end shift, it tells us that positive value means music will start in X seconds after video starts, meaning that if you put in, let's say, 2, the music will start playing after 2 seconds after the beginning of the video. While the end shift means that the music will stop playing in X seconds before the end of the video. For example, let's say I put 2 again, so the music will stop 2 seconds before the end of the video. Now, if you scroll down on the page, you will see the voiceover for this video in speech. Now, from here, you can change the voice actor for the voiceover, or you can create your own custom voiceover to use in your video. As I used a ready-made template, so there was a ready-made text for me. Or you can also upload your own voice. You can also use the no speech, meaning just the video will be playing and there will be no voiceover. You can customize the voiceover by just clicking in here and putting in the text that you want. When you're done creating your template, click on this publish button right here to save your template for future use. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use Eli.io. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.